guys, so nandito na tayo sa NAIA Terminal 3. Nakapasok na tayo sa immigration. So pupunta tayo sa Singapore muna, tapos Kuala Lumpur. So ayan, bye-bye. Mami. Ayan, papasok na tayo ng airplane papunta sa Singapore. Thank you. Sa Singapore. Hindi pa kita yung Singapore. Good morning. Singapore na yan. Siyempre. Hindi. We can see around the hotel. Around the hotel lang. We can go sa immigration. Oh, it feels so good to be back. Nandito na tayo sa Singapore. Tumakas lang ako. Ganda. It feels so good to be back. Walang tao. Doon tayo sa kabila. Ang ganda doon sa kabila. Touchdown Singapore tayo ngayon. Nakakasakit sa mami ko. Ayan. Dami ng tao dito. Help guys, kinibon ako dito. Nilibig kami nung nakita namin. So, ayun, hindi ko kasama yung mami ko ngayon. Naglalakad-lakad ako dito sa Changi Airport. So, nagpalit ako ng damit. Palit ako. Mag-iikot-ikot tayo ngayon kasi di natin naikot kanina. Kasi meron tayong kasama kanina. And nakakahiya naman kung maglalakad-lakad kami and magaganto-ganto ako. Na-awkward ako. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Terminal 4. Ito kanina nag-picture tayo dito sa Still in Bloom. Makita niyo sa Instagram ko. Follow niyo ako sa Instagram, guys. Carmela_pader. Ang cute ng vending machine nila. Ano yun? Ay, yan. Ang ganda dito sa airport. Ang ganda dito sa Changi kasi sobrang linis. Sa totoo lang, pangalawang beses ko na dito sa Singapore. And Singapore never disappoints me. Pero ngayon, ano lang kasi kami dito, connecting flight kasi kami from dito at as Malaysia. Sa Malaysia talaga kami pupunta. Pero yun nga, connecting flight. So, dito kami for, saan na yung mami ko? Doon. Yun. Yun, nandun naman pala sila. So, ayan, ang ganda-ganda dito. Tapos yung suot ko ngayon pang Korea. Mali ba sa Korea naman ako next pumunta, di ba? So, doon namin inaantay yung plane sa gate 10 and nasa gate 11 ako ngayon. Kita niyo ba? Ayan. Gate 11. Andun yung gate 10. So, sabi ni mami tsaka nung kasama namin is maglakad-lakad daw muna ako. So, ayun. And then, I took the chance na mag-vlog na walang awkwardness. Kasi syempre nakaka-awkward yun na nag-vlog kami kasama kang iba na hindi ka naman sanay. So, ayun. Siguro kung may bansa akong babalik-balikan, ito yun. Singapore talaga. As in, sobrang linis kasi and wala kasing discrimination dito. So far, sa pangalawang beses na nakabalik ako dito, ay napagpunta ko dito is hindi pa ako nakaranas ng discrimination. Kasi diba alam mo yun, there are people talaga na lalo sa Pilipinas, actually madami nang discriminate. To be honest. Ganda guys. Ang ganda. Parang ang sarap mag-ikot. Wala man tao. Sarap mag-ikot. May tao na. Ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo. Yan. Diba ang ganda? Shit. Yan. Ang cute oh. Yan, ang ganda. Doon yung ano. Punta tayo doon guys. So basically din, yung vlog ko here sa Singapore is talagang, ito lang mapapakita ko sa inyo kasi nga, hindi naman kami lalabas dito ng airport. Andito lang kami sa loob ng Changi Airport the whole time na mag-aantay kami. And 6 o'clock ata or 7 yung dating ng plane namin. And anong oras na? Anong oras na ba? Hindi ko makita eh. Pero maybe 2 hours na lang ata. Or 3. So hindi na rin makakagala. Plano namin puntahan yung hinihingal ako. Yung Merlion. Kaso nga lang hindi na din kaya nga. Kasi malayo-layo dito yung Merlion. Yung isang Merlion naman sa Sentosa which is malayo rin. So, ayun. Yan. Saan yun? Yan. So, paano na tayo na Malaysia? Yes. Paano Malaysia? Okay guys, so pupunta na tayo sa Malaysia. Nakasakay na tayo ng panibagong flight. Touchdown Malaysia. Yan, nasa Malaysia na tayo. So we just arrived at our destination, Malaysia. Ang ganda guys, ang social ng CR nila kasi. may pindutan yung pintuan. Malaysia. Nagpapanik na isa. So, nandito na tayo sa Malaysia. Kita ba? Hindi kita. Hindi nakapit. Basta Malaysia yan. Ayan, Malaysia. Malaysia. Ayan.
Which one? Anna Maria. Just go and send somebody. Come back, you can sit down here.
Thank you. Pero may pupuntahan tayo dito lang. Ano? Oh, ganda. Ay, yung tower. Ay, ito yung Twin Tower. Oo, Twin Tower. Shit, yun na pala yun. So this is the Twin Tower, right?
Okay, so
wow.
this is the first stop here. Right, so this is the Twin Tower, Petronas Twin Tower.
Yes.
So this is the tallest Twin Tower on the world. Okay, so this building, each building, they reach 88 floor. 88. So total of the building that reach 451 meters of height.
Wow.
Okay, so the unit of this building was made from stainless steel and glass ceiling. Okay, so in order to support the whole building, we have to dig 2 times on the ground. 900 meters on the ground. Okay, so you can see there's a Tower 1 and Tower 2. So Tower 1 was fully occupied by Petronas, our national oil. Tower 2 was right now only for office only, it's not for residents.
Okay.
Okay, so Tower 1 was built by Korean,
Korea.
Samsung. So you can see
Yeah.
there is a lot of the Samsung advertisement here.
Oh yeah.
Okay, and Tower 2 was built by a Japanese company, a Hazama company. So in there, you can see the link bridge.
Yes.
So the link bridge was built by Korean.
Korea.
And here we do have a shopping mall, a very high-end shopping mall here. And underground we have an aquarium here as well.
Oh.
Right behind all this building, there is a convention center. So that's why we name it as KLCC, Kuala Lumpur
KLCC.
Convention Center.
Okay.
Okay? So if you want to take a bath,
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Nag-88 floor siya.
Ito ang residential isa.
Oo.
so they're selling their own local products here. So this is the best seller here that you ever see. So you can have a few things here.
Ito may tatanggalin ako.
cukup pahit, belum cuba ya. Ada belakang merah, sorry ya. Cukup pahit, mari boleh cuba, cukup pahit. Kita gitu ya. Cukup pahit ya.
This one is buttermilk. Yeah. Plain chocolate, this one without nuts. You can pay the Philippine peso here. You can pay the peso here. Ada sini. Okay.
Gusto ko to.
Ini yang sedang manis ya. Ini yang mana orange ya. Kalau enak dia yang biru. Kalau enak sekali yang biru ya.
Right, so this is the King Palace. So this is where place that our king stay. So this palace was built in 2007 and it took 4 years to complete it. Okay, and it cost almost 200 billion of USD dollar. Okay, so in Malaysia we are a monarchy country. We have the king and we have the prime minister. It's different like the Philippines. You have the president.
Yes.
We only have two. Okay,
Yes.
right. So right now the king came from the province of Pahang. The name was Sultan Abdullah. Okay, so in Malaysia we have 9 provinces. So every 5 years from this province, the Sultan will become the king. It's totally different, like the British type that ruled by one royal family. Here is different. So every 5 years, we're gonna have our new king here. Okay, so next year on February is full of 5 years. So the Sultan from the province of Johor will come here to become the king. So right now it's Pahang, province of Pahang, and then the next will be the province of Johor. So it rotate. So one round it takes at least 40 years. Let's say if the king right now he is 50 years old, you have to wait at least 90 years old. So that is the second chance that you can become the king again. Okay, so there is a guard horse there. You can take picture with the horse, but not too close to the horse because sometimes everybody will bite or will kick you. Okay, and you see the yellow flags there? So you can see the yellow flags there. It means that now the king is in Malaysia. That's it. If you can't see the yellow flags there, it means he is overseas. He's not in Malaysia. Okay, right. So we're gonna have you around 5 to 10 minutes here. I'll wait you in the car.
Okay, thank you. Ang ganda. Oh, it's beautiful. Hawak kamay. Kita. Ikot eh. Doon ka sa Hershey.
Yeah.
5 minutes lang, di ba? So ayun, narinig nyo naman yung sinabi na dito daw nakatira yung kanilang king. So sabi pag may nakita daw doon na dilaw, ibig sabihin nandiyan.
Yes.
Pero pag hindi mo doon nakita yung yellow flag, it means wala siya nasa overseas. And right now, makikita mo yung dilaw na flag. So nandito siya ngayon.
So, hindi namin pwedeng puntahan.
Oo, kasi din naman kami close. So, ayun. Kung nakikita yung yellow flag, yun yan. So, nandito siya.
Right, okay, so this is the coat of arm of our country. Okay, so in Malaysia, we have 13 provinces with 3 federal government. So this is a 14 star. Okay, so this one here, this is Islamic symbol. It represented our first religion here will be the Islam. But we're not a 100% Muslim country because we still have Chinese and Indian here as well. Okay, so these are the 9 provinces that we just been to the King Palace. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the 9 provinces that with the Sultan. Every 5 years, they will take their turn to become the king. So these are the 4 that they don't have Sultan. So total will be 13. Okay, Malacca, Penang, Sarawak, and this is Sabah. So right here, right now we are in the peninsula of Malaysia. Sabah and Sarawak is on the Borneo side. It's on the Borneo island that come together with Brunei and Indonesia. Okay, and Sabah is quite near to Philippines, to Cebu. Okay, and this is our national flower, the hibiscus. In Tagalog is a Guma Merah. Okay, so this is our national flower, and this is a Malaya tiger. Okay, and this is a Malay verse, Bersakatu Bertambah Mutu. This means that the association will increase in quality. And this one is the Jawi word, this one I can't read it. Okay. And we are not going in there because there is other construction, it's under renovation. We'll stop here. So this idea was from our first Prime Minister. Our country and Ahmad is very peaceful. And right now we are in the botanical garden here.
Silent mo na yung phone mo. Silent mo phone mo. Malay mo na.
This is the national mosque here. So this is one of the older mosques in Kuala Lumpur. So usually on Friday, the gentlemen will come here and have the pray around 12 o'clock until 3:30. So usually that time, no visitor are allowed. Okay, so this is only for the gentlemen. So one at the same time, this mosque can occupy 15,000 prayer from inside until here. Okay, so female, they will separate it. Separate female, male will be here. Okay, and
Separate.
and usually on the first day of the Eid Mubarak, the king will come here to have the first prayer on the morning. So after the prayer, then he will announce that there was a celebration. Okay, so this is the second tallest building on the world. Okay, but right now it haven't officially opened yet because during the pandemic, so it already delayed. Actually, by schedule, it should be completed in 2020. Yes, but right now it still haven't completed. Hopefully, end of this year, it will be opened yet. So we have no any idea that is it hotel or residence or office units. We have no any idea. But we already know that this building that reached 678.9 meters of height. Asian, this is the first tallest building in the world. This is the second. The first will be the Burj Khalifa.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you want to take a picture, that will be the nice view there. Okay. Islamic here. So the blue color means that the harmony that we have. Red is room red, and this is the Islamic holy color, and this yellow color is represented the monarchy color. So in Malaysia, we have the monarchy. So this is where the place where our first Prime Minister Tunku Abdul Rahman, when he was back from British, and he was announced there independent on 31st of August. So just a few weeks ago, 31st of August is our Independent Day.
Oh.
Okay, and here this is the Asian tallest pool that reach 100 meters. Okay, and in Malaysia we have 13 provinces, right?
Yes.
So every province we have our own flags.
Oh.
So back to the school, drawing is the most subject that I hate because I have to do. Okay, 13 flags include the national, 14 flags I have to draw. Okay, you can see there. Here, start from there, surrounded. So 13 flags, 13 provinces we have 13 flags here. Include the national, total 14. Okay, alright, there's a lot. Okay, right now we're in the capital, we're in the city, Kuala Lumpur. So Kuala Lumpur is the capital, we're in the province of Selangor. So during back on 1957 we're getting independent. So at the time was a port of the Sultan in Selangor. So his name was Sultan Abdul Samad. So we named this building after his name. You can see here, Sultan Abdul Samad. So that is the Sultan, the name of the province of Selangor during when we get independent. Okay, and this building was under UNESCO. Yes, it's under Heritage UNESCO. And inside here was empty. Right now it's empty. Previously was a port. And back on around 2000, we moved the port to the Putrajaya. So right now this building is totally empty.
Okay.
Okay, then we last here. Because this is really the
Okay. Here. Dito ka daw. 2, 3. Ikot. Yung gamit din. Thank you.
left hand side.
Okay.
This is the first building, the second one.
Okay.
Okay,
second
right?
one.
Okay.
Thank you so much.